Alright guys, so we have the Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB laptop cooler. It does say it supports 19 inches, but I've heard that it doesn't do a good job on anything bigger than a 15.6 inch. So I do have a 15.6 inch laptop and can say that I do recommend this. The quality of it is pretty durable. It's gonna look like this when it comes out of the box. It does come with the USB that you use to plug it in, which is this right here. I'm not too sure why it has two USB. I didn't really read the directions because who needs directions for something so simple like this? May actually look at it and find out what it is. It might just be to where you can plug it in too and get more power out of it, but I tried that and didn't succeed. So you just simply use this end, plug it in back here to this little port right here. You guys can see that there's this port right here. It says DC in. Put that in. These other buttons are going to be for light mode, color mode, and for adjustment on your fan speed, which we'll go over that in a second. So I'm going to plug this in. So I'm going to turn off the lights, guys, and give you that full effect of the lights. So I'd say it definitely looks cool. It's definitely appealing to the eye, especially when it's just chilling in my room. The only downside of it is the fan speed. If there's a way to increase the fan speed somehow by modifying this, then please let me know in the comments below, because I'm willing to attempt to try. But we'll go over why it's not necessary. So I'm going to adjust the speed all the way up. Would you go to the left? As you can hear, didn't really go that much higher. But it is good when you do have this lifted up with these little latches on each side. Just fold them down. I know you guys can't see it, but you just fold it down and then it puts it at a tilt. So then this massive fan that really doesn't blow fast actually gets more circulation going. But for my laptop, it actually makes it to where my fans don't really turn on the laptop itself. It stays cool most of the time, except for when I'm uploading my videos up to YouTube from my video editing. Then it's using all of its power to cool itself, especially with the Acer Nitro 5 having that heating issue. But so far, I haven't had any issues. But anyways, so the color, you can change it to this color where it just circulates through the colors, and then you can do a pulsating red, which is kind of cool because it kind of matches the Acer Nitro 5 with the red keyboard. Or you could do a off and on, and then where it stays on. Or you can just have it simply off if you just only want to use the cooling pad. But if you're getting this, you're not going to be just only using the cooling pad, unless you're just getting tired of the colors for that time that you're using it and you just want it completely off. But anyways, this is my favorite settings right here, just to have it circulating around with the colors. So I'm going to turn on the lights so that you guys can see the settings. So the color mode right here, that second button, it doesn't do anything on this mode, but when you switch to the third one where it's pulsating, you can change the colors to whatever color you want. So I'm going to turn off the light. So we have white, red, yellow, green, blue, lighter blue, dark blue, and then back to white. And then on the just solid, having it on, we have red, blue, white, green, and then back to red. And then off is off. So guys, the laptop cooler, you know, it's recommended, but you know, there are other ones that are way better for actually just cooling your laptop, especially with Thermaltake. I've heard that they've actually came out with better ones. I picked this one up just because I had a gift card to Fry's and wanted to use it on something that I needed, since the laptop does get a little warm and I wanted something to cool it off. I hope this video helped you guys decide on whether you guys wanted to pick up one of these, or if you guys wanted to decide on picking something else up. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. If you did love it, then please consider subscribing, because I will be doing more reviews like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.